Hello, ladies. So I'm getting brave. I'm doing it scared, and I've never done this before. I've never done Amy Mayer's recipe, but thank you, Kim, for being my photographer. She's going to videotape me doing this the very first time. My heart is racing, by the way, and I'm just gonna model because I'm a teacher. So you model, and then you do guided practice, and then independent practice. So I'm modeling that you do it scared. And you pick up this recipe, print it off, and follow the script. And sit down and write down 1 or 10 of your favorite people that you trust, that you know are super kind, and you practice this with them. But with sincerity, with the goal that maybe they're interested in something you have to offer. So I'm calling my friend Sandy, and she is prepared. I tried to do this earlier this morning, and I got interrupted when my husband called. So here we go. I'm going to give her a call and hope she answers. She's working on getting a new puppy, and she did say that maybe she wouldn't be available. And if she's not, I have another favorite friend I'm going to call. Okay. I should have left her a message, but for sake of time, I'm not going to. Okay. I love her. See, she's my favorite person, so I can call her back.
No.
Good morning, my love.
How are you?
Good. So, I'm wondering if I can call you back later with more details about my Denver debacle. But you know, you're one of my favorite people, and I'm wondering if you don't mind letting me practice something that I need to practice.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? So
Yeah.
I'm very excited that it came to conference because you know I needed it, and it needed to get re-energized, and I'm super excited that I did, and everything went, as you know, spectacularly at home, although I wish I was home right now, but anyway. So great things are happening, and I'm deciding that I'm going to, you know, because I can give time back to Daddy and Riley, and I can commit that I can have girl time 2 nights a week. So I want to really try to do this business like I used to, because it's something that gives me so much joy, right? You know that.
Oh, absolutely.
I brought your ass to Paris with me, sister. You know how much I love it. So I'm gonna go for it, and I want to grow my team.
Tell her she's being videoed.
And yeah, she'll be fine. Yes, you're good. I am videotaping this so I can share it with my team. Okay. And you're not, you know, you're fine because it's just your voice. If I was videotaping you in person, it might be different. Right?
It's completely fine. I'm listening.
You're a good sport. So, all right. So, you know, I started, that I've been doing this business for a long time. And I want to get outside my box, and I'm going to follow this routine to talk to people about this. And so I'm calling my favorite people, and you're my first person. And I wanted to ask you if you've ever considered doing what I'm doing. Would you ever want to join me so you could earn these trips with me, earn some extra side cash, and of course, sport the beautiful jewelry that you already do, but be able to purchase it more often because you're earning income? Would you want to do this fun thing with me?
Wow.
Have you ever considered that?
I have considered it. I don't think I'm very good at that kind of sales thing, though.
So if I was your partner in crime and helped you build the confidence to do that, would you be interested in exploring that as an option? Because you know I wouldn't leave your side, and I would support you.
Yes, I know that. I guess it would depend on how much of an investment I had to make as upfront.
Okay, so listen to this. We have this opportunity in the month of August, which is perfect. It's before we go back to school, where if you host your first party, I'll come with my jewelry and I'll be the representative, and all of your hostess benefits that you earn, you can use toward your sign-up kit. So it can be essentially a free sign-up. And of course, in the kit, you get all this jewelry for free. You get catalogs, everything you need to be in business, you'd have it. And then you and I can work together to build your confidence. And I'm going to cry thinking about this, because one of the most amazing things, besides taking your best friend to Paris, about this business is the personal growth and the confidence that it can provide people. And I want that for you. And I would love to be a part of giving you the joy in something like this. And we could do it together and all of those fabulous things, right?
That would be great.
Yeah, so why don't we do this? Let's find a date on our calendar in August where we can have a party, and you invite people, and we'll start there. All right, and then your investment would be free. You can use your hostess benefits to get started.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so we'll find a date. I love you. See?
I would love more.
Aw.
I hope your flight gets you home tomorrow.
Yes, it will. Yes, ma'am, it will.
And Daddy is okay?
He is. I'm going to put you on pause for just a second so Kim can finish this video. And I just want to say, look at that. My best friend, I've never asked her to this business opportunity before. And look at that. Mwah.